We're here at 625 Lincoln Boulevard at the Air Conditioned Lounge for the first ever Art at Will group show. We got some of my artwork, some of Hillary Norod's artwork, and some of Alex Smith's stencil paintings. It's gonna be awesome. You guys are gonna love it. For the group show. I'm with Hillary Norod, one of the artists. How do you feel about the show, Hillary?
You know, it's an awesome venue, it's a sweet space. We got music going, art in here. It's all around great.
How'd you select the art that you're gonna show tonight?
A few pieces that I've already done, and then I got a new piece with the old school cop writing a ticket that is smiling at the ticket while he's writing it.
What is the meaning of art?
Art is art. Art for art's sake. Like, be creative, do it. Don't question it, but question it. It's all contradiction, feeling, and just doing.
The meaning of art is expressing yourself in any way that you would like. Portraying a story, a feeling, idea, anything that is creative, I would say, is art. Dance around, trying to make a chance. I want that light, I want that prize, and we need to get on it right. So you go, keep down, got all the moves, that's where I found. See you stepping, see your flow, and they'll tell me you got it. Will you let it go?
Just finished up here at the Air Conditioned Supper Club. Art at Will's first group show ever. We had some work by yours truly, a little work by Alex Smith, some more work by Hillary Norod. If you want to see any more of the paintings you saw tonight, you can go to artatwill.com, check all that out. We got some new video blogs coming out. We change our website regularly. Keep tuning in and checking out artatwill.com.
artatwill.com.